Jai, Jai Mata Di everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel R for Rohit Sir classes. Today's topic is even and odd signals in MATLAB. Okay. Now, in this case, I will discuss with you the signal I will take, that is u of n minus u of n minus 10. Okay. That is our input signal and I denoted by xn. Okay. Next part is for calculate the even and odd signals. What I will do? I will do the flip of input signal. Okay. Now even and odd, the formula of even and odd signal is this. Okay. Even is this one and odd is this one. Okay. Already I uploaded the videos on the topic of unit step signal. Okay. And I will mention the link in our description box. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel, and if you think that this video is very good for you, then press on like button and also click on bell icon. Okay, my channel name is R for Rohit Sir classes, and if you have any doubt regarding these topics, then you can mail on my email ID, that is R for Rohit Sir classes @gmail.com. Now let's start with the MATLAB code on MATLAB software. Okay, start with the CLC, that is clear the command window. Clear all is used to clear the workspace. Then after that, close all. First of all, our input signal, that is u of n minus u of n minus 10. How to do? First is u of n. Okay. Now, first take the n values, that is equal to, n is equal to, I am taking, let's suppose, minus 20 with the interval of 1 to 20, right? A is equal to, now, zeros. How many zeros we want? That is, in this case, starts from minus 20. Now, that is 20. Okay. Then after that, in the case of step, okay, we want ones. How much it is? Minus 20 to 20. That is, first is 20, then after that 0 to 20. It means 21. Okay. Close this bracket. And after that, I am using the subplot command for this. That is 3 rows, 2 columns, and 1 is position, right? Then after that, use the stem command for the discrete signals. And first of all, x-axis, that is the n values. Then after that, what is the amplitude we have? That is A. If you want to field, then write it here, field the values. Okay. Now, x label, n values, and after that y label, okay, amplitude, then after that title. What is the title of this? That is unit step u of n. Write it. Clear? Now, first of all, I will show you the output of this one. Okay, this is minus 20 to 20, and because of this field in a stem, this dark signals. Okay, right? In the case of this unit step. Now, next part we have, that is u of n minus 10. Okay. Now, again, I am taking, if you want to write it again, then you can, otherwise, no issue for this. Okay. Now, in the case of n minus 10, okay, it means this one is 11, changes into 11, because our signal start from n is equal to 10. And before that, this is 30. Okay, now in the case of this second position and change the A to B. Okay, so this is also B. Okay, second position stem command n values, and this is u of n minus u of, sorry, it is u of n minus 10. Okay, now select that part and evaluate. Okay, fine. This is our un and this is our u of n minus 10. Now next part is the difference of these two. Write it. Clear? This one, this input signal. Again, in a percentage, that is I am writing the u of n minus 10. Okay. Because of this, everything is clear. Now, again I am writing here minus 20 to 20. Okay. Then after that, use the subplot command, that is on a third position. Sorry, it is 3 to 3. Then after that, minus of these two, u of n minus u of n minus 10, that is n minus 10 is b and first is a. So I am writing it here a minus b. Clear? Then after that, use the stem command and x label, y label and title. You can change the font of this x label, y label and title also, and already I uploaded the video. Okay, then you can check this video in my playlist. Clear? And this is u of n minus u of n minus 10. Okay, now here it is m. Clear? Third position, rows, columns, and your third position, difference of u of n minus u of n minus 10, that is denoted by a minus b. Stem command I used. Okay, then after that, x label, y label and title. And I will show you the result. Okay, this is the result. Correct? And one more thing I am writing here, that is x of n. Okay, this is our x of n. Now, next part is to flip that part. It means changes into x of minus n. Okay, this one. Now, use the flip command over here. Now, again I am writing it here for clearness with the interval of this. Then after that, use the flip command. Okay. Flip of m. Okay. This m is basically our xn, and what I did, use the flip command for this. Okay. Then after that, again, okay. I'm writing it here, that is subplot 3 to 4, right? Then after that, use the stem command. In the stem command, first is n, then after that y, then after that you have to field, right? Okay, then after that use the x label command, that is n values, y label command, and in the case of y label, amplitude. Okay, then after that use the title command. Now in the case of this title, this is the flip part, and or we can say that minus n. Okay, it means that x of minus n, it means the values are basically u of n. Okay, this one, it means reverse part, right? Okay. This is basically like that. Okay, fine. Okay, now next is, or we can write it here like that also. Okay, I'm in a very simple way, in a just very normal like that. I'm writing it here. Okay, this is just like that, and also okay, we can write it like that also. Okay, this is our x of minus n, and this is our xn. Correct. Now, after that, now our next part is to calculate the even and odd. To calculate the even and odd signals. Even signal. Now, the formula is this one. Okay. Now, then after that, x of n is denoted by some value. Okay. And also the x of minus n is also denoted by something. Minus n is denoted by m, and this one is denoted by m and y, sorry, m and y. So this is basically, we can say that I'm taking the variable. Okay, now the variable is basically I'm taking m plus y divided by 2. Okay, okay, fine. This one. Now use the subplot command over there and position, that is 3 to 5. Okay, and again use the stem command, x label, y label, and title. Now this is z, amplitude, and the title. Now what is the title basically? Even. Okay, then after that, odd. Minus. Okay, this is our odd signal, and you know, okay, clear. This is basically m minus y. Okay, and change the variable. I'm writing it here, that is k. This is also k. Change the position also. Okay, now here it is minus, and this one is also odd. Correct. Okay, everything is in the one window by the help of the subplot command. Okay, this is our input, basically a signal. This one is signal. Then after that, flip that part. Okay. Then after that, in the case of even, x of n plus x of minus n divided by 2. Then after that, minus x of n minus x of minus n divided by 2. This is the odd. Okay. Even means symmetry and odd means anti-symmetry. Correct? And at last again, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel for the new videos and press the bell icon button. Okay. Thank you so much and Jai Mata Di everyone.